Hi, this is 36 volt 800 watt electric wooden go-kart. It's Friday the 19th of October. This is day 11 of me working on it. Okay, so the foot pegs for wood, I'm going to take them off, get them sanded down, fit them in the correct position, and I want to cut the steering rod, well both rods, there's an outer and inner. So I'm going to do them. Doing them on my balcony, cleaned up in my front room, got all the dust up. The dust wasn't doing me asthma much good, so I can't be doing that, but I've cleared the balcony to do stuff on my balcony. Okay, let's do it. Someone's watching me. Right, so I took these apart. This one had a split in it, pulled it slightly, it's split open, so I'll have to do that. So I'll have to get a new piece of wood for that and cut it, won't be hard. I'm going to sand these down, get them smooth, and this one. Right, that's them sanded. Took the edge off with a Dremel, smoothed it off with sandpaper. Right, I'm going to paint them now. I'm going to spray paint my pedals and I'm going to paint the wood with acrylic. So I've got my mash ready, don't want to breathe fumes in. Okay, took longer than expected to do these. It's now 6:15 at night, so it's getting too late to do out else, like sawing or out. Anyway, I painted the pedals aluminium with spray, so that's what they look like. Sanded the wood. Turned out a bit rough, that paint work, but that's that one. So that's them done, and they'll go on there like that. Now I'll have to sort this piece of wood that goes across from there to there, because one of them's split, so I want matching sizes, so I'll have to look at them. But that's them done. Right, so when I fitted the foot pegs, I've cut this final piece of wood that I need to do. I can then measure where the steering wheel's gonna go and crack on with the steering wheel. But if I do a bit on it every day this weekend, I'll have it finished, because I wanted it done by October and riding it in October. So okay, might catch up later. Right, step one of me attaching my foot pegs. Put a screw in there, same on this one, a screw in there, so that holds them in. Now the block of wood will go across here and across there, but I don't know whether to do it as one piece and make it stronger, so I'll have to see what wood I've got, what wood I can recycle. So a screw will go through there into this wood, and then that wood can be screwed underneath from the bottom of the board up into it, and it'll make it strong enough to hold your feet on. So that's the position we're going in anyway, permanently. So that's that. Right, I found a scrap piece of wood that'll go across, so it reaches from that foot peg to that foot peg. It's wide enough. Also, I'll cut out a bit here, there, and it'll sit into this, so it'll be touching that, but it'll be on this as well. And it's got that part there, needs cutting off anyway, but it's got damage here, as you can see the damage, but I'll sort something out with that. If you can see, even from the damage, there's still a good bit above this beam if I cut out a section. But can't do that till tomorrow now. It's too late to be sawing on my balcony. Right, I would have liked a tripod while I was filming and making these go-kart videos, but I ain't got one, and someone said to me, why don't you make one or upcycle, recycle one? So that's exactly what I've done. So here we've got 3 pieces of scrap wood, a bracket underneath. I've drilled 2 holes. This is a monopod that I've had for walking. I've never used it. Well, I did use it once and it fell over with my DSLR camera on, which ain't much good. It's got a handle, the head tilts, so it's a bit wobbly when you touch it. If you look, unstable there, but get the camera on, it'll be sweet. So that's an upcycled tripod. Yeah, cool. Okay, as you've seen, my sunset and the light goes pouring me flat, can't really film. I've measured the outer rod for the steering, so I'm going to cut that tomorrow and cut this wood here. So you've watched me fit the foot pegs, pedals, well they're not pedals, they are pedals but they don't pedal it. So you've seen me fit them, both sides. Okay, so you've been watching my 36 volt 800 watt electric wooden go-kart. It's been day 11, so catch up with me tomorrow. Okay, bye.